Good morning everyone. Last time we had completed till exercise I. Now let's continue. Conversion of interrogative sentences into direct speech. So interrogative sentences है उनको direct speech में how we have to convert that is given. He asked her where she had left her bag. So asked है will be changed to said to. He said to her, where have you left your bag? Question mark. We can see कि had left है उसका have left. Past perfect will become present perfect. The statement form is converted into question form. We can see कि ये question form है. So statement है उसको we have to change into question form. The inverted commas and a question mark is added in direct speech. We have to add inverted commas as well as question mark. He wanted to know if I had paid my school fees. I replied that I had. So wanted to know here will be changed into said to. He said to me, have you paid your school fees? So had paid here will be changed into have paid. Past participle will become present. Sorry, past perfect will become present perfect. I replied. Replied will be changed to said. I said. Yes. B. He asked her if she had packed her things. She replied that some packing was left to be done. So asked her will become said to. He said to her, have you packed your things? Again we can see he had packed है past perfect tense है. We change it into present perfect. Have packed. She said some packing is left. Was left था so we changed was into is. Some packing is left to be done. Exercise J. Rewrite the following sentences in direct speech. First one, Rohan asked Sneha if she had booked the movie tickets in advance. Sneha replied that she had done so. So asked her, we will change it to said to. Rohan said to Sneha. Had booked है उसकी place पे we will write have you booked the movie tickets in advance? Question mark. Inverted commas close. Sneha answered yes I have. Second one, he asked his students whether they wanted to play in the ground during the free period. So here reporting verb है, we will change it first. He said to his students, comma, inverted commas, whether they wanted to play. So instead of that, we will write, do you want to play in the ground during the free period? Question mark. Statement will be converted into question form and inverted commas close. Third, the security guard asked the stranger whom he wanted to meet. So first of all we will change the reporting verb. The security guard said to the stranger, comma, inverted commas. Question word है, we will put that first. So whom. Then verb आएगा, so whom do. He है will be changed to you. Whom do you want to meet? Question mark and inverted commas closed. Fourth, the chief guest asked who the organizer of the function was. Reporting verb will be changed. The chief guest said. Question word who. Then verb who is the organizer. Subject who is the organizer of the function. Question mark inverted commas closed. Conversion of exclamatory sentences into indirect speech. So exclamatory sentences है when we want to change them, a guideline is given. The following guideline have to be remembered while changing exclamatory sentences into indirect speech. First one, the reporting verb said can be changed to cry, exclaim, pray and wish. So जो reporting verb है उसको हम इन words में change करेंगे, cry, exclaim, pray या wish. And if it is past tense, we'll write cried, exclaimed, prayed या wished. Second point, the exclamatory form of the reported speech is changed to the assertive form. while converting the sentence into indirect speech. So sentence here will be given in exclamatory form, and when we will write it in indirect speech, we are going to change that form into assertive form. Third, exclamatory words, interjections indicating strong emotions such as oh, hooray, alas are omitted in indirect speech. तो जो भी exclamatory words या interjections है, we have to omit them. And the emotions are conveyed by using phrases like exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with sorrow, and so on. So when we remove these interjections or exclamatory words, in place of that, we are going to write these phrases, exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with sorrow, like that. Fourth one, the exclamation mark is omitted in reported speech. We are not going to put the exclamation mark. We can see here, hooray ke baad there is an exclamation mark. We are not going to use that. Examples A. The leader said, hooray, we have achieved our goal. The leader exclaimed with joy. See, reporting verb has been changed. Exclaimed with joy. And interjection has been cut out. That they had achieved. Have achieved will be changed into past perfect. Present perfect becomes past perfect. So, had achieved. Our, in place of our, we will change and write there. That they had achieved their goal. B. The girl said, alas, we missed the flight. The girl exclaimed with sorrow. Reporting verb will be changed. Interjection will be omitted. The girl exclaimed with sorrow that they had missed the flight. Simple past becomes past perfect. So, they had missed the flight. Conversion of exclamatory sentences into indirect speech. Now, exclamatory sentences है उन्हें हम जब indirect speech में change करते हैं तो what do we need to keep in mind? While converting exclamatory sentences into indirect speech, the words showing exclamations like hooray, alas, oh are omitted, but the feelings are conveyed by using expressions like exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with sorrow, and so on. So, interjections and exclamatory words they will be removed. उसकी place पे phrases will be used. The reporting verb is changed to exclaim, wish, cry or any other appropriate verb. Reporting verb है, we need to change it appropriately. The sign of exclamation is omitted. We are not going to put sign of exclamation. We can see exclamation sign was there, but we have not used it in indirect speech. And the exclamatory sentence is changed into a statement before it is converted into indirect speech. So, we are going to change the exclamatory sentence in an assertive sentence. He said, hooray, we have won the quiz contest. He exclaimed with joy that they, we becomes they. Pronoun we need to change. So, they had won the quiz contest. Won is simple past and simple past becomes past perfect. Exercise K. Rewrite the following sentences in indirect speech. First one, my friend said, hooray, I scored the highest marks in mathematics. My friend exclaimed with joy that, see, I hai, we always change it in accordance with the subject. So, my friend is given, so we can write he or she because friend is a common noun. So, my friend exclaimed with joy that he had scored the highest marks in mathematics. Now, second, Harish said to Neeta, oh, I regret that you lost your grandma recently. Harish exclaimed with sorrow to Neeta that he regretted that she had lost her grandma recently. So, we changed the reporting verb into exclaimed with sorrow and then we have written he because Harish was regretting, that's why he regretted. And who had lost grandma? Neeta, that's why we have used the pronoun she. Samyak said, hooray, our team has won the match. Samyak exclaimed with joy that our team, so our will be changed into their team. Whose team? Samyak's team. So their team had won. Has won is present perfect and we will change it into past perfect. So had won the match. Fourth one, Shabrina said, "Oh no, I lost my wallet." Shabrina exclaimed with sorrow that she had lost her wallet. Here I is always changed in accordance with the subject. Shabrina is girl, that's why we will use she. Lost is simple past, that's why we are going to write it in past perfect. My wallet, my word will be changed in context with Shabrina. She's girl, that's why her wallet. Today we are keeping till here only.